Welcome back everyone to update 0.96. This one is a lightweight update for this week. A bunch of new props for you. Let's get down to it. So the first prop is the vision barrier. Previously I released the shoot house. Now I have the shoot house segment. So you can just drop the segment here, and if you want you can clone it and you can make more segments, rotate it around however you like if you want to build your own shoot house. And then somebody asked for a 2.5 by 2 meter wall. So now instead of just having 2 meter walls, you have 2.5 meters. So this is what the 2 meter wall looks like. If you align it to the grid, you see that it's 2 meters, and then now 2.5, and then a 2.5 with a port like that. So for those of you who want to have slightly larger walls, although you can still use the arrow to expand and make it bigger however you like. And then the last prop I just introduced is yet another helicopter. I don't know why I like helicopter. I mean, the model looks really nice. So this is one of the Kiowa Bell helicopters. The next few updates are more quality of life updates. If you don't know already, if you hit F6, you have a measuring tool that you can click on. If you can click on the ground here, and you can drag on, and it'll tell you how far that thing is. So for instance, if you drag up to here, it's 2 meters. If you drag up to here, it's 4 meters. And now I've made some slight change, some visibility change, so you can always see the measurement regardless of the direction you are facing. So it's easier for you to see now and measure. The next improvement is a quality of life improvement to grouping. So let's say if you were to, let me just grab some USPSA targets here. Now I'll just bind it to this here like that. So let's say if you drop a few items like this, and if you want to group them all, traditionally you have to go to grouping mode, F4, click on this, click on that, and then click on the parent and click on that again. So now it's much easier. So let's say if you want to make this the parent, you click on the parent and then you just select which object you want, click on this, and the rubber band still is active, so you can just click on the other one. So you can keep clicking on multiple grouping items, and then once you're done, you just hit right click, and now you have a group that you can just drag around like this. And then I can clone the group, and then I can say now this parent can also be this whole entire group can be a child to this parent. So click on that and just assign it to the parent for this group. And now if I go to editing, if I take this, it will drag all of the targets like this in the group. Or if you just move the parents, and then you just click on this, you move the parent away separately. So here you have 5 more fine-grained controls. And you can also move individual components within the group, and you'll stay like this. So now if you select the parent, everything will move as a group. Yeah. So this is, I think, a pretty cool change here. And the last one is multi-sightline. So I basically increased it because of the performance improvements that I made in the past few releases. Things are faster now, so I increased the accuracy of the sightline object. So now even if you drop a short object, so let's pick a short one for instance. Let's pick something like this. Even if you drop close to the sightline object, it will still be able to detect it. Before, if you bring any objects close to the sightline object, you won't be able to see it, but now you can. So now I've increased the accuracy of the sightline object. It will take up a little bit more processing power, but it shouldn't slow down the tool that badly. So yeah, that's all I have for you for this update. I hope you like the new changes, and again, give me some feedback. Hit escape, go to settings and feedback here, whether you want new props or whether you found some bugs, give it to me there. Or a better solution is to go into join our Discord server. The link to the Discord server is in the YouTube description below. But for now, have a great weekend all of you, and I'll see you on the range.